Hi everyone, what I'm going to show you today is how to replace this Ford Ranger 2019 to 2020 key fob battery, very common key fob used for different makes, different models. The battery you will need is a CR2450, okay? CR2450, you can click on the link below to get it online, very common battery. So what we do, first thing, we take the emergency key out by pressing this key this button right here. We pull up, okay? Once again, we press and we take it out. Second thing we do, see this space right here? Get it closer to the camera, right here. So we press the key and we pull up. Once again, the space right here, we press the key and we pull up. Okay, now there are two ways basically to take the cover. You can simply gently pull the cover, or you can do it also with the key. Again, right here, insert the key a little bit inside and to pull. Now whatever you do, do it gently, of course. As I said, the battery 2450, very common one. You can get it also online, as I said. Now what you have to do to take a small flathead screwdriver, and right here you can see there is a space right here. You simply insert it under the battery, okay? You can see it here as well. Now this battery is good, so I will put it back in. And we push, make sure that it doesn't move, everything is okay. Take the cover, put it back, emergency key. Of course, no need to reprogram or anything. You're good to go. Let us know what you think. Thank you.